Hey everyone, it's Marvin, real estate broker with Night Owl Realty, and today we're looking at a newly listed condo in the gated community of Arrowhead Lakes in North Glendale in the zip code of 85308. This condo is 1,066 square feet. It's 2-bedroom, 2-bath, also has a fireplace, and is located right off the 10th hole of the golf course. All right, let's go check it out.
Hit us up, we can get you the keys. Call Night Owl, oh yeah. Night Owl Realty, yeah. Night Owl Realty, up all night, closing the deal, yeah. Helping you sell or buy your dream home, yeah. Hit us up, we can get you the keys. Call Night Owl, oh yeah. Night Owl Realty, yeah. Night Owl Realty. Hit us up, we can get you the keys. Call Night Owl, oh yeah. Helping you sell or buy your dream home, yeah. Call Night Owl, ooh, yeah. Night Owl Realty, up all night, closing the deal, yeah. Call Night Owl, oh yeah. Call Night Owl, oh yeah. Hit us up, we can get you the keys. Call Night Owl, oh yeah. Helping you sell or buy your dream home, yeah. Call Night Owl, oh yeah. Night Owl Realty, up all night, closing the deal, yeah. Call Night Owl, oh yeah. Call Night Owl, oh yeah. Up all night, closing the deal, yeah. Call Night Owl, oh yeah.
If you want more information regarding this property, or if you're thinking about buying or selling in the surrounding areas, please give me a call. I'm Marvin, real estate broker with Night Owl Realty, where we're up all night.